Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So nowadays, one complaint I keep seeing from Samsung users is overheating and battery drain issue. Whether it's A series, M series, S series, FE series or even a flagship phones, many users are facing random heating issues after updates or during normal uses. But recently I found something very interesting. Some Samsung users discovered that after disabling 3 hidden settings and background services, their phone actually become cooler and battery backup also improved. And honestly guys, almost nobody talks about these settings on YouTube. These are hidden Samsung and Android services that quietly running in the background. So in this video, I will show you 3 hidden settings nobody told you about, which may actually help fixing overheating issue on your Samsung phones and battery drain issue. So without further delay, let's get started. Now the first settings which you should turn off to save battery and reduce heating issue is personal data intelligence. This feature keeps running in background for AI suggestion and smart processing, and because of that it can slightly increase battery uses and heating issue. So here is how you can disable this feature. Open settings on your Samsung phone, scroll down, you will see an option called security and privacy. Tap over here. Then again scroll down, at the bottom you will see more privacy settings. Tap on it, and here at the top you will see personal data intelligence. Just turn it off. That's it. And guys, if you want to turn it on again, you can just come back here and again you can turn it on, but I suggest at least turn this off for 2-3 days and give it a try, give it a test that it will reduce the heating and battery drain issue or not. Okay, just give it a try. Now the second one is something most people don't even know exists. It's called Android System Intelligence. Okay, this service handles like smart Android features like app suggestion, app prediction, smart text selection, notification suggestion and more. But sometimes after updates, it may increase background activity and battery drain issue. So here is how you can fix if there is any issue on Android System Intelligence. Okay, on your Samsung phone, again just go to settings and scroll down. You will see an option called apps. Just tap on it, and here you will see this kind of icon. Just tap over here and you will see this option called show system apps. Just enable this and tap on OK. Then again our search here, just type Android System Intelligence. This will appear, you can see. Just tap over here, then you will see this kind of option. First, obviously what you can do is you can uninstall the update, but first I don't suggest that. The best thing you can do is just go to, where is that, storage, tap over here and clear share. Okay, don't clear data, you can do it, it's not a big issue, but I suggest just tap on clear share. Okay, now it will kind of reset everything. So if this app is causing battery drain or heating issue in background, so it will fix if you do this clear share option. Okay, and also you can clear the data also if you want to. Yeah. Now the third setting is probably the most useful one, RAM plus. Honestly, this feature sounds amazing on paper. Samsung says it improves multitasking by using storage as virtual RAM, but in real uses, many Samsung users actually prefer turning it off, especially on devices that already have enough RAM between like 8GB to 12GB to 16GB RAM. Okay, because RAM plus increase background memory management and storage activity. So here is how you can turn this feature off if it's on. Okay, just go to settings on your Samsung phones again and scroll down, and here you will see an option called device care. Just tap on it and it will load. Then scroll down and then tap on memory over here, then again scroll down. Here you will see an option RAM plus. I have already enabled it, but now I will turn it off. Okay, just tap over here and you just have to turn it off. That's it, and your phone will restart. Just tap on restart. Alright, now my phone has restarted, and again I came to this device care settings, and if I tap on RAM plus, you can see it's turned off. And obviously you can turn it on in future, but I recommend turn it off, guys. Alright guys, these were the 3 hidden settings which you should try on your Samsung phones to reduce heating issue and battery drain issue. So guys, try these settings on your Samsung phones and let me know your experience in the comment. And guys, if this video helped you, please give it a like, and if you are new to this channel and if you have a Samsung phone, do subscribe to this channel because you won't be disappointed, because I always upload genuine videos. Sorry. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye, take care.